Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel order on buyer request. When you receive a buyer request to cancel order, it will be appear on your dashboard. You have pending cancellation request. Click on confirm cancellation. When you click on confirm cancellation, you will be landed to a unshipped order page. On this page, look for the order on which you receive buyer cancellation request. Then click on cancel order. When you click on cancel order, you will be landed to a order page. Here, reason of cancellation already selected. Just click on cancel order. When you click on cancel order, your order will be cancelled and that will not impact your account health because cancellation request is received from buyer end. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks.